Hey guys, Argus Skater here again. This video I'm going to show you how to use the features of the bot. A lot of it's pretty self-explanatory, but I'll just explain it quickly. And you open it up, and this is what it'll default to. Crew slot, the crew slot menu. It's pretty self-explanatory. Slot 1 is this slot here, so where my scavenging is. Slot 2, this slot here where my diplomacy is. Slot 3 is right here where your underworld trading is, so the bot will try to click on those slots depending on which crew skill you want to farm. Max deployable is pretty self-explanatory too. It'll send all the way from 1 through 5 of your companions out. It'll also only send the first 5 out, so sorry, it will never use your droid, but it'll go up to 5. So you can click how many you want to send. Mission levels here. This is a little more confusing, so I'll explain it quickly. If you just have it on 10 through 8, it'll always just try to click the first available. So even if, let's say, like you're up at 49 through 50, even if you have it on 10 through 8, it'll open up this window and just right click here, so it'll always send out the first 3 available. If you move up in level, here's where it's useful. What it'll do is let's say you have it on 49 through 50, it'll open it up, and here my scavenging is on mission levels 49 through 50. It'll click the first available, then it'll scroll down 1 level, select the next tier, and send your companions out on those missions. So if it fails to send one out on a 49 through 50 mission, if you have this clicked, it'll send it out on a 41 through 48. 33 through 40 clicked, it'll try 33 through 40 first, and then cycle down 1 level to 25 through 32, and send them out on a mission level from there. Only feature, I'll show you how this works. If you click only, what's going to happen is the bot is only going to farm this mission level. Only obviously doesn't work with all, because they're kind of self-exclusive. But what it'll do is it'll, let's say you didn't get enough compounds from the 25 through 32 level, so you want some more grade 3 compounds, just check only, put it on 25 to 32, and it'll only send your companions out on 25 to 32 missions. The other thing I might mention is only also doesn't work with the bank option and the light side dark side option. So if you're trying to use these options, make sure only is unchecked. They won't work together. The all, I forgot to mention this. If you have it clicked on all, this is useful for farming a skill overnight. So say you want to farm from 1 to 400, so my diplomacy here, if I wanted to go to 400 overnight, you just click all. The reason you click all is because what it'll do is it'll open the first available, then it'll cycle down through each level all the way to 10 through 18, so it'll always try to grab the next level down, so that way you don't have to monitor which level you're at, and it'll just keep cycling through until it finds something. Now the other features. The bank it feature, explain that. Bank it's pretty useful also if you're farming overnight, say on an all feature. At the end of the whole sequence, the bot will try to click and put the first row of items here into the bank. So it'll try to put all these items into the bank. So every time the bot accepts successful missions, it'll open the bank up and try to put them into the first cargo bay. So it's pretty nice because you can fill up 1 cargo bay plus your bag. Gives you a little extra bag room. To get the bank to work, obviously you need to be standing in front of a bank, kind of just like I am right here. What the bot's going to do is it's going to try to click right around here where the key is, and it'll open it up from there and add everything to the bank. Light side and dark side. This is probably one of the coolest features of the bot. Light side and dark side obviously only work with diplomacy because it's the only one you can farm light side or dark side points with. So let's say I wanted to farm only light side points. Click in there. Make sure the slot's set on the diplomacy slot. See, I'll send all 5 out and set it there. I guess I'll let it run through one time just to show you how it works with the Bankit and LightSard. There it'll go. Hit F5 to start. It'll try to resize the window if it's not already. And here it goes. So it's going to go up there and look for the light side ones only. Since I have it on 49 through 50, it's trying to send it down 1 level. But it always clicks the first available, even though I'm only on 10 through 18. If you have it on all, it'll work with this feature as well. Now see that there's no more light side available, so it's not gonna find any of the dark side missions. If I had a higher diplomacy level, it would try to go down a level and find light side or dark side options in the next level available. And here you see the Bankit working. And once it's done with Bankit here, what it'll do is it'll end, and now it's done. The other cool thing about the bot right now is while all my guys are out, I can pretty much do whatever I want and I can play. You can even resize it if you want, and then use the F7 to resize back when your companions are about to be done with their missions. So that's pretty much how the bot works. I hope you guys enjoy. Also, the thing I forgot to mention in the setup is it only works with the Windows theme here. It doesn't work with Classic. So sorry guys. Also, I don't think it's going to work for the German client or the French clients or anything like that right now. In the future I might try and make those versions, but hope you guys enjoy and hope it works for you.